Areas here at the back with the angel wings there. Really nice also in the back here. There's a sweet corn. So what are my final thoughts? Well, I'm no vegan, but that was really super tasty food. Oh, yum. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So this evening I'm here in the Ubud area of Bali. I'm on a street called Jalan Penestanan, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is dinner at a restaurant called Zest. So Zest restaurant located on the street of Jalan Penestanan is literally a street that's just on the outskirts of the central reservation area of Ubud. This is a very popular restaurant. It's a vegan restaurant. It's going to be my first time eating here in tonight's video. So I'm going to go inside, I'm going to have my evening meal here. I'm going to give you a guided tour first of the restaurant, just show you around and just show you how busy and popular this restaurant is. Then I'm going to order my food and share my food with you. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take you inside Zest here in Ubud. Okay, so this is tonight's restaurant where I'm going to be having dinner. This is a place called Zest. See, it's got a really funky look here. Zest Ubud up above there. This is the car park area. It's absolutely loaded with motorbikes. I've already been in the restaurant. I'm having to wait for a table. So busy. Full with motorbikes here. I've already been waiting 30 minutes for a table. Up the steps here. And here's the entrance to Zest. So we're just waiting at the front here for the table. You can see it's super busy inside here. Full of customers all around. I'll take you over and show you in this direction first of all. All the reserved tables. Just moving away into the back here, you can see every table is full. A little bar reservation area here in the middle. Beautiful seating areas here at the back with the angel wings there. Really nice also in the back here. So busy all around. Couches. Waiting for a table already for 30 minutes. Super busy. Wow, so popular this place. Some unique seating over here. Okay, so I've ordered the J3 juice, orange, carrot, ginger, lime. Okay, so I've ordered my food from the high vibes menu area. I've ordered this, an oriental affair here. Okay, so here's my dish, oriental affair. We have zucchini noodles, barbecue corn ribs, jackfruit satay, marinated long beans, coyote, kimchi pickles, kaifa lime, cashews, all in there. A little sauce there, and there's my drink. Okay, so here's my drink. This is orange, carrot, ginger and lime. Let's give it a go. You can see the carrot in there. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so let's give this a pour over here. Knife and fork. Oh, yum. That's nice. We've got so much going on in this dish. Wow, that's super refreshing. Yeah, very light food. There's a sweet corn. Yum, that's super tasty. Wow. Yeah, that's good. Two lemongrass sticks there. Guess this is like my meat, but it's not meat. Wow, I keep digging deeper and something else keeps coming to the top. Yeah, that's super refreshing, good tasting food. Okay, so I'm good, well over halfway through it now. Well, I'm no vegan, but that was a super tasty dish. There's my thoughts on it. A little bit of my drinks still left, but that was good food. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video, my dinner here at Zest in Ubud. So what are my final thoughts? Well, I'm no vegan, but that was really super tasty food. So my Oriental affair dish there, featuring all of the goodness and the fresh food in there, absolutely super delicious, super tasty. The only thing I will say is, for me, I'm more used to eating meat and fish and things. That was more like a starter dish to me, but it was so flavourful, very good food. And then the juice, I'm left a little bit disappointed, if I'm honest, with the juice. 60k for that, I think, is a little bit overpriced. It should be maybe only half of that for that particular juice blend. Nothing spectacular in the juice, but the main dish there, the Oriental affair, what an absolutely super dish that really was. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed this evening's video. Hope some of you find this video useful and maybe want to pay a visit to Zest during your holiday stay here in Ubud. And I shall say bye for now.